Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Junk Journal January, hosted by Meg of Meg Journals in collaboration with Get Messy Art. And our prompt for today is opposites. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. I hope you're doing great and I hope you're keeping warm. So I'm going to cut up the music, I'm going to speed it up, and I'll see you at the end. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here we are, day 15 in the books. I just did a very colorful background and with a black and white photo, and I just added the pretty flower at the end and of course my gold splatters. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Meg and Get Messy Art's channels. And be sure and check out the hashtags Junk Journal January and Junk Journal January 2024. So until next time, bye y'all.